Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to unblock the WeChat account without friends. To start the process, open your Safari browser on your mobile device. Now search here WeChat support. Then tap on Go. Here tap on Contact Us. Now read the details and tap on WeChat Help Center. Then tap on Send Feedback. Now enter your platform and region. After that, select your categories. Then write your description. Then enter your WeChat account and email address. Now select any option where they can contact you. After that, tap on Submit. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.